on then. How many limbs can you take off before I die?
I'm gonna like grab. You see it? Like grab your fist, bro.
All right. When you take that off, I'm gonna shoulder bash you when you go to grab me. Just.
Oh, I was gonna take it off, grab your head, and just into a fucking knee, bro.
All right. Okay, just gonna.
That's one. It's your robotic one, right?
Oh, really? Never could have guessed. Not yet.
Come
on. You think you're so powerful, don't you? Huh? Is that right? You think you're so unbeatable? Like I said, if not me, then someone else will take you from this mortal plane, and you'll go to the same hell you crawled out of.
Explain to me this.
What?
What did you see in that kid to make you deal with me?
I saw humanity. Unabolished, unashamed to be alive. I relish in the pain you give me, for it tells me that my heart still beats. The more you hurt me, the harder I will fight. That kid, I may not know him, and he may not know me after this day. He may forget me tomorrow, next week, next month, or the next year. I may be forgotten. But that is not what I fight for. I could care less if I'm wrote, if I'm written down in the history books. I could care less if people know my name. Only thing I care for is fighting you. Here. And now.
I relish in pain too.
Varish. I have grown on Tatooine. I have journeyed the galaxy, and I've taken out corrupt things like you before. I may not take you out now, but I don't care. Someone else will. Go on, you're so smart. See if I'll stop. See if I'll stop fighting.
Sidestep, side kick to the side of the kneecap.
Alright. As he gets bared down, he's gonna kind of crackle jack your knee with like the sharp broken metal arm. Just then he's gonna uppercut you. He would pop his knee back in place. Just...
Abeloth, low-key, bro. Abeloth tasted the blood. I think that you're done.
I will not stop standing. Not now. You know me, Abeloth. I can tell you've gazed into my past. You know what you forgot, though? You were so busy fighting me. Think about humans. We fight dirty. I'm no different. I've beaten you with my fists. I can feel the fractures in my knuckles. But on Tatooine, I had to learn how to pickpocket. I got good, real good. And a god who's so focused in her own little shell forgot that she's in a mortal body. A magma crystal, huh?
Tricky.
Come on then. Let's go. Abeloth, let's see what you've got.
I know you were going to trek. But I didn't think you were going to do it in that way. I figured you would have implanted explosives. Maybe some kind of injector into your robotic knuckles. That's smart. Picking my lightsaber.
You see, through how Kyber crystals work, they are packed full of damn near endless energy. Especially the one that you've got. So, Abeloth, do you remember my name? Do you?
Tell me.
Barron Varish of Tatooine.
There's also one thing that you forgot.
That
As
is...
a non-force sensitive. Force sensitives can manipulate their crystal.
Now, I may be stupid. Not that stupid. You know what I can manipulate? Charges. Just as any bomb expert can. Ever notice how I hanged back during a massive part of the fight?
It seems to be that no matter how this battle will end, we might both die.
So be it then. Let's see what you've got.
But I remember saying in the specific rules of the deal, no tricks. So, I believe I can use my force abilities again.
Abeloth. My name is... Okay. My name is Barron. Abeloth. My name is Barron Varish, and I have tricked you. There is a 12-ton bomb beneath us, loaded with Kyber. No, at least that's what I call it. My own special concoction.
You'll kill your own friends.
They would lay down their lives. Just as I have mine. You misunderstand me. Rhen Spyr gaze into the future. You know this would happen. Tell me if you sense them nearby. Go on. Tell me.
You played smart.
This isn't gonna kill you. I think we already agreed on that. I think me and Death already agreed on that.
Yeah.
This
I
is
think it's better if
you.
it just heavily injures me.
It's going
It's
to
gonna
take out,
heavily injure
like,
you.
it's going to deadly injure your entire, like, your body is going to be heavily damaged.
Yeah. It makes the next fight, a lot more plausible.
Yes.
Goes, I know I couldn't outpower you, but I could get you to think that you are so much above me. I got roughly 12 seconds left before my brain stops working.
Look into your sky.
I will look into my enemy's eyes.
Before you die, it's better to remember home.
He says over comms to Lutheran.
Mhm.
He says this to Lutheran. Lutheran, you are a brother to me. Thanks for this opportunity. Now,
I'm just gonna like stick her fingers like into your mouth and just fucking begin to like rip off your head, bro.
he goes, farewell, brother. Better enjoy this time.